So nice and warm. Not the case today.
No beach plans for this week. Maybe when we head towards the weekend, maybe.
Yeah.
But this is a live look right now of the Bainbridge Boat Basin, and less cloudy and foggy than we've seen in recent days. And hopefully it warms up a little more today too.
Things are looking up.
And we're going to send things over to Rob Nucatola now. Good morning, Rob.
Good morning, guys. Definitely a good indoor kind of day today, at least early. I think this afternoon is going to turn out a lot nicer than it did yesterday, but we are starting very frosty, and those temperatures are way down in the mid-30s, some in the low 30s. It should warm up a little faster and a lot farther today. A pretty good shot to get up over 60, and I do not expect it to be as cold overnight tonight because we should start to pick up some clouds, and the more clouds we accumulate, the better chance we have to keep in some of today's heating. Now, I see a lot of sunshine in the forecast for the first part of today. Not a lot going on across the eastern part of the United States. As we take a look at some of these numbers, 34 in Thomasville, 35 in Valdosta, 35 in Tallahassee. It's a cold start out there, and those windshields are going to require some scraping. Only 31 in Dothan, Alabama, and in Panama City, so those are our cool spots. But I see a 39 at Apalachicola and a 37 at Perry. It's 36 degrees in Madison this morning. Got lots of 34s, 5s, and 6s out there. A little breeze, but nothing like that biting wind that we had all day yesterday. Higher pressure, our big weather player. There is a little bit of energy out here to our west, and as it tries to move east, we'll watch and we'll see what that's going to be able to do for us. Maybe bring us some of those clouds by tonight, and then even another boundary to try and reinforce some of the cooler air by later this week heading into the weekend. Maybe we get another cold start by the time we get to Saturday. First things first, cold this morning, warming this afternoon. Not as cold tomorrow morning. We'll look for a couple of showers over the next couple of days. I don't love the chances, but they are certainly not going to be at zero for the next couple of days. So we'll watch and we'll see how things play out. Much better conditions for the boaters out there today. We're talking winds out of the northeast and north, probably someplace in that 5 to 15 knot range. Low tides first up this morning. Let's shoot for 30s this morning. Clear, frosty. Hopefully we'll get into the 40s by like 10, 11 o'clock, and I think we've got a chance to get near 50 by lunchtime. Highs today can and should get close to 60. Lots of sunshine early, but more clouds developing by tonight. The more clouds and the earlier that happens, the better chance we have to prevent those temperatures from falling way back down like they did this morning. Most of us will stay in the 40s. And here's that forecast for the next few days, very seasonable. Even with this cold start today, low 40s, low 60s, mid 60s. That's normal for early January. I think we've got a chance to get near 70 on Thursday before we'll see what that next boundary does. If you're looking for another frosty start, that one may be on Saturday. And right now it feels like our next best chances for any kind of real rain event probably has to wait till next week.